give you an update on our newest chickens we got, and I don't know if you've been watching the channel. We traded some of our chickens that were in here. They're old chickens, and we traded them for these. These are from like a commercial brown egg layer, like you see in the grocery store. It says brown eggs, cage-free, pasture-raised, whatever. That's where these chickens come from. And when we first got them, they didn't know how to act like chickens, and I think I went over it in the video, but they kind of stood around in a daze for a week or two. But now they're acting like chickens. You can also see that they are molting or starting to molt, and I'll get you a close-up of that in case you're kind of new to chickens and you're come out there and you see a bunch of feathers laying on the ground and you think something's wrong with your chickens. Well, they're not. They're just going through the molt. That means when they get new feathers. You can see all the feathers on the ground. They're actually laying pretty decent. We're getting about 9 or 10 eggs a day. There's 25 in here, and hopefully when they all come through the molt, we'll get a bunch through the winter, and we'll keep our egg business going. I'm gonna get these fed real quick, and we'll go see how many eggs we got today. You can see they kind of started acting like chickens again, so that's good. I like to see them act like chickens like they're supposed to be. All right, let's see how many eggs we got here. Let me get the camera set up. So you see we got 8 eggs out here today, and looks like we've been getting 8 to 10. So usually when my other flocks, when one starts to molt and they all kind of start to molt, everybody quits laying. You don't get any eggs. So I'm the way they're molting, and I moved these yesterday, and I don't move them today. Today's Sunday. We don't move them Sunday, but I'm happy to get 8 to 10 eggs with these molting. So when they get through the molt, maybe we'll keep on having a bunch of eggs through the winter, and not have to worry about that. So anyway, all right, little update, quick update on our new chickens. We got 50 more in the brooder layers. I got 25 more coming. I got 25 coming. You're watching this on Monday, so they'll be here tomorrow. I got 25 more meat birds. We're going to process some next week, and I think we're going to do that Wednesday. So we're going to do that, and I'll keep you updated on everything anyway. So that's our new flock. I'm actually pretty tickled with them. I was a little apprehensive, but I think it's going to work out. All right, appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll be at the farmer's market this Saturday, August 16th. And I might show you what we're going to have. Hopefully I'm going to have some, I almost said pumpkins, watermelons. Seedless watermelons. We'll see. All right. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the video. We'll see you down here in the farm. We'll see you down here at end. We'll see you down here next video.